Subscribe, share and press bell icon for all latest notification.
Okay, good morning students. Let us read the first chapter of your first slide, A Letter to God. That is written by G.L. Friends, whose full name is Gregorio Lopez Friends. The whole story is set in a rural area in Mexico. He himself is a Mexican writer, poet, novelist and a journalist. The story depicts the infinite faith of a man to God. Here it is the main theme of the chapter. And now you will know the characters, main characters. Lencho, a farmer, a postman and a postmaster. इस चैप्टर के मेन कैरेक्टर हुए, three main characters. Now, in the story, it begins with the house of Lencho, who is main character. Its house is a solitary in the whole that entire valley on the crest of Yellow Hill. He has sown the crops in his field and now waiting for rain for good harvesting. But what happened? He had only predicted that day that he could get rain. His wife was cooking his supper, and that very time when he was to start his meal, he could find the sound of rain start. And when he came out of the house, what he saw, it was a sewer at the very beginning, but it gradually turned into a heavy rain and it was with hailstorms. क्या होता है जब बाहर आता है तो देखता है कि बारिश की फुहारें शुरू होती है. That pleased him at the beginning. शुरू में बहुत आनंदित होता है, प्रसन्नचित हो जाता है, because he had predicted for the sewer and it happened. लेकिन क्या होता है वर्षा जोरदार होने लगती है, like cats and dogs, heavily rain, और उसके बाद hailstorm जो आ जाते हैं, ओले जो आ जाते हैं, that was a danger for him. He wished to stop this hailstorm, but it was too late. He went after the rain stopped to his field and found there was no crop at all. Everything was destroyed due to that hailstorm. जब खेत में जाता है तो पाता है कि सारी फसलें बर्बाद हो चुकी हैं. And then he talked to his sons that even locusts don't destroy like it. बच्चों से बताता है कि देखो टीडी दल जो होते हैं, जो एक प्रकार के कीड़े होते हैं फॉर द क्रॉप्स, और वो भी इतने जो है बर्बाद नहीं करते हैं फसलों को, लेकिन ये हेलस्टॉर्म्स जो है, ओले जो है, पूर्णतः जो है बर्बाद कर चुके होते हैं. एंड दैट वाज इनएग्जैक्टली फॉर द फार्मर बिकॉज ही न्यू द होल ईयर्स प्रोड्यूस could be better for his survival. But now they are going to die. इस बार जो है वो मरने जा रहे हैं ड्यू टू हंगर, भूख से. He had no any option except the God. God को छोड़कर कोई जो है विकल्प ही नहीं होता है. He could only believe in God who could help him. सिर्फ God ही उसकी मदद कर सकता है. No one in his surrounding to help him. As the heading, you know, A Letter to God, that was very humorous. Heading से भी आपने देखा कि ये जो है heading भी डिटेल किया कि यह जो है एक पत्र ईश्वर को लिखा गया है. And it happened. He took a paper and wrote a letter to God, and then went to post office and took a stamp and affixed and mailed it. It was very amusement for the postman and the postmaster when they received the letter and the address was to God. क्या होता है जब पोस्टमैन लेटर लेता है, देखता है कि अरे इसमें तो एड्रेस जो है गॉड का है. तो in the whole life of his service he could not get such like letter, and so he was shocked to see and laughed. खूब हंसता है. So it was very strange to find for anybody who will give such like address to God. And it happened. He took that letter and went to the postmaster, gave him. The postmaster himself could not control. He also started to laugh and laugh. वो भी जो है खूब हंसना शुरू कर देता है, कॉमिकली उसे भी लगता है, but just he got some ideas in his heart and stopped his laughing. He thought the great belief of that farmer and stopped his laughter. हंसी अपना रोक देता है एकाएक. उसे लगता है कि अरे what infinite faith of that man towards the God. ईश्वर के प्रति उसकी कितनी ज्यादा जो है विश्वास है. और so he did not like to break the faith and kept that letter and found there was something written in the letter, and that was the demand of that Lencho, who had demanded 100 pesos to God for his survival. He had told everything what happened with him. ये सारी चीजें जब देखता है पोस्टमास्टर, तो he got pity, से दया आती है. और first of all he thinks about his belief and did not like to pray. वो उसके belief को सोचता है, विश्वास को सोचता है, और सोचता है कि क्यों नहीं मैं ही कुछ करता हूं. He himself from his salary donated few part of his money and then collected other pesos from his employees, and that sum was total as 70 pesos. 70 पेसो जो है कलेक्ट करता है and finally kept in the envelope, and that he wrote nothing in the letter but signed as God. एक लेटर एनवेलप लेता है, उसमें पैसों को रखता है और तब जो है सिर्फ उसमें अपना सिग्नेचर करता है, दैट इज एज गॉड. गॉड लिख देता है सिर्फ. ऑन फॉलोइंग संडे लेंचो केम वेरी अर्ली टू दैट पोस्ट ऑफिस. The postman who had known him earlier, he gave that letter to that farmer Lencho. Lencho got, and he had no surprise, no astonishment, as if he had already believed towards God. He knew that God will know his conditions. He will send him, and it happened. The postmaster who had helped in some situation, such like situation, was seeing every incident for that Lencho, but there was no excitement. He took the letter of God and started to count the money kept in it. But just after when he counted 70 pesos, he became very angry. The furious came on his face. 70 पेसो जब देखता है तो खुश होने के बजाय जो है गुस्से में आ जाता है. और फिर क्या होता है? Took another paper, wrote a letter, and there he wrote that God, I got only 70 pesos. Whether I had demanded you 100 pesos. The remaining pesos were thefted by this bunch of crooks. It means the employees of this post office. उस लेटर में उसने क्या लिख दिया? गॉड को लिखा, क्योंकि गॉड पर तो उसे फेथ था कि what he had demanded, he would get the same money. 100 pesos का डिमांड किया था, 100 pesos गॉड भेजेंगे. एक्साइटमेंट भी नहीं दिखाया ताकि उसे पता था कि गॉड ने जो है उसके जो है डिमांड को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया होगा और भेजा है. तो देयर वाज नो मैटर ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट देयर. नथिंग वाज टू कॉज ऑफ वंडर. उल्टे जो है गुस्से में लिखता है कि आपने 100 पेसो भेजा होगा, लेकिन इन लोगों ने जो बंच ऑफ ग्रुप्स हैं, इन लोगों ने नहीं भेजा है पूरा का पूरा. रिमेनिंग पेसोज को आप जो है फिर से आप भेजो और टू द डायरेक्ट to me at my address. आप अगले बार जो पैसोज भेजोगे वो मेरे एड्रेस पे भेजना. So this was the end of the chapter where another letter was written to God. In the whole story, you knew the awareness of that was Lencho, a farmer, who had a great belief in God. And that is the explanation of the chapter.